Hey everyone, Daniel Demir. Welcome back to the channel. Today I will walk you through the process of building a potato planting box. Right after finishing it, I will also show you a step-by-step instruction planting potatoes. For this project, I used 3 wood pallets. First I grabbed one of them, then removed all the backboards and 2 2x4s attached in the middle. After removing those boards, I also remove all the nails from the first pallet. Then I grab another pallet, and for this pallet I only remove the middle part. In order to make both pallets same size, I placed them on each other and I cut one board from the bottom panel. After removing all unnecessary boards and nails, I started building my planting box using the boards that I removed from the backside of those 2 wood pallets. Later, using the leftover boards, I covered the entire back of the planting box. Okay, now it's time to prepare our potatoes for planting. When you look at those potatoes, you can see those little sprouts coming out. Some of them has 2 sprouts coming out. They are called eyes. For the larger potatoes, you can cut them in pieces and plant them. Or if you have smaller pieces, you can just plant the smaller pieces as one. You don't need to cut them. Let's start cutting our potatoes. You can see I'm cutting from here. You can see both pieces has eyes. Keeping those eyes, do not cut those eyes. And this one, everything at the top, I am planning to just keep this one too. And for that piece, that potato, you can see it has 3 eyes, so I'm gonna just cut it from here way each piece has more than one eye, or at least one eye. Before start planting my potatoes, I'm gonna add some plant food to my soil and then mix it together. Then I am going to make some digging to make it ready for the potatoes. Add some plant food at the top of the soil. You don't have to add too much. Then I'm gonna use my shovel to mix it. As you can see, my soil is very floppy. It is perfect for potatoes. This time, and add some soils at the top. After finishing planting all the potatoes, adding some soil at the top of it, then making the valley shape. Then next step is adding some water. Then you're gonna wait for the sunny days.